Hi Marcin, how are you doing?
I'm fantastic. The weather is nice today. Thank you.
Marcin, you are our refrigerants expert, but you also help manage a project.
SKILLSAFE EU, exactly.
And do you know the concept of these videos?
For sure. So I have only 60 seconds to tell you about it.
Exactly. So we're starting your timer now, and my first question is, what's the main goal of SKILLSAFE?
So it's developing a guideline all across EU, so it's meant to help the installers with highly flammable refrigerants such as R290. So that is the aim.
And what's the main challenge this project addresses?
I think it's linked to making it also practical. So then, after developing a guideline, started the trainings related to the scope of the project, and we also extended the scope actually. We covered also different types of heat pumps in the end.
That's great. And do you have any fun fact to share about SKILLSAFE?
Sure, so I got a friend thanks to the project coordinator. We played both tennis and squash. We lost, we won in different configurations, we laughed, yeah.
That's amazing. Okay, we have time for one more question. Marcin, I know you love cinema, so I have to ask you, if your project was a movie title, what would it be?
So I am thinking about Mission Impossible because we had so many challenges, the project needed so many experts, so we are sometimes even 60 people in a room online and we need to find a compromise. But I am a Tom Cruise of the situation, so I am making the Mission Impossible possible, hopefully.
Thanks for doing the challenge, Marcin, and see you around.
Yeah, take care.